Well, hello there. This your girl Stacey back with another video. How you guys doing today? I am here with these platters that I just ordered for my grandkids. I got this shrimp fried rice platter right here. Oh, there's a whole lot of it. There's a whole lot of shrimp fried rice right here. So I decided to eat out today. It is smelling so good. I was gonna do a video with no sound, but I'm gonna speak on this one. And I got a Sprite to go along with this shrimp fried rice. And I got some teriyaki hot wings coming with. These teriyaki wings is so big and good. Ooh, it's hot, but it's so delicious. And these are teriyaki and these are mild. You can see it. Yeah, these are teriyaki. These are mild. I got a 20-piece. I think she charged $20 for them the wings. Yeah, 20. Okay, alright. So yeah. And then I got me some ice cream. I love my little orange sherbet ice cream on the side. And then I got some rainbow. Yeah. I'm gonna eat some of this after I get through eating. I love rainbow ice cream. I love orange sherbet. You know, it keeps my body cool. You know, and I love eating orange sherbet ice cream, rainbow. And like I said, you guys, I decided to eat out today. You know, the kids wanted some wings. I was gonna cook, but I'm gonna cook for tomorrow. These are the shrimp fried rice. They look real good. With the onions and peas and egg, all kind of stuff. I want to get some egg rolls. I didn't get no egg rolls. I got the soy sauce though. And that soy sauce is real good. The teriyaki wings are so delicious. I mean, when I tell you they good, these the mild, and these are the teriyaki. Now, y'all see the teriyaki. Let me move the Sprite. Got a can of Sprite. Yeah, I'm going to hold this up for you so you guys can see it real good. Yeah, these are the teriyaki wings. So like I said, I hope everything is good with you guys out there. And like I said, I'm just chilling at home with my grandkid. We just chilling, watching movies where they playing games, PlayStation game or whatever they doing in there. And I'm just sitting here getting ready to eat me some food. Okay, so if you like this video, give me a like, comment down below. Subscribe to my channel, my page, and at the end of the video, make sure y'all hit that notification bell so that way you won't miss any video that I post each day. Until then, y'all stay blessed, stay humble, and remember to keep God first. Peace. I'm out. Love you guys. Maybe you're absolutely surprised to see me eat your own. I don't know. Then down you go.